If your car broke down tomorrow, would it stress you out financially? If the answer is yes, this video is more important than investing. Most people want to jump straight to the flashy stuff: stocks, crypto, retirement accounts, because investing feels like progress. But investing without stability? That's just anxiety in disguise. An emergency fund is simple. It's money set aside for unexpected expenses. That's it. Not for vacations, not for new phones, not for planned bills. Unexpected, necessary, urgent. Here's what happens without one. Car repair? Credit card. Medical bill? Credit card. Job loss? Panic. And now you're back in debt. Not because you're irresponsible, because life happened. An emergency fund breaks that cycle. You'll hear people scream 3 to 6 months of expenses. That can sound overwhelming. So let's simplify it. Step 1. $1,000. Not perfect, not complete, but protective. Then you build toward 3 months of essential expenses: rent, food, utilities, transport. Not your full lifestyle, just survival. Keep it somewhere safe, a high-yield savings account. That just means a savings account that pays better interest than a regular one. It's not investing. It's parking money safely. No risk, no stress. Accessible. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It makes you calm. And calm decisions are better decisions. When you're not in survival mode, you stop making desperate money choices. Here's the right order of operations. Handle high-interest debt. Build your emergency fund. Then, and only then, invest. Not because investing is bad, but because stability comes first. Security before growth. Your step today: open a separate savings account. Name it Emergency Fund. Even if you start with $50, the amount matters less than the habit. Progress beats perfection. If you've been trying to invest without a safety net, that's not failure. You were just skipping a step. Now you know the step. In the next video, we're going to talk about what investing actually is, without the buzzwords. Because once you're stable, then we build. You're not behind. You're building security.